Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change password on OnlyFans account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. Open a web browser of your choice and go to the URL box and type in onlyfans.com and search. Make sure to log into your account as well, and once you are in, click on your profile avatar or the initial appearing at the top left corner. Now in the pop-up, click on Settings. This will then open up your settings interface, from where you will need to select Account. Go to the password option under Account and click on it. Now enter the new password you would like to change to for your account in the first text box. Similarly, on the next field, enter the password once again. After you are done entering both of the boxes, click on Save and you will then be able to change your password on OnlyFans. Next time you log into your account, make sure to enter your newly created password. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.